Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue about our lesson in Swift programming language. So today our lesson is about how to use a function in Swift programming language, especially how to use a function in the Swift UI. So in this lesson, I will use a Swift Playground for compiling the Swift programming language, and I will also show it and demonstrate it using the iPad. Okay, so today we will make it in two parts. First, I will explain about what is the function, and then the second is how to use a function with the parameters. Okay, now you can see my screen. Okay, so what is a function? Yeah, if I cook, and for example I want to cook soto, and there is a recipe that how to we can cook a soto. There is a recipe and there is a composition that we can use. Of course, different food will have a different recipe, but for me, if I cannot memorize the recipe, I just put the procedure, make the procedure, and then what the composition I need to put on there, and then how I can cook, and the steps. Okay, so whenever I want to cook the soto, I can just read the recipe and I can follow it every time I want, or every time I need. But the thing is, we will not use it every day or every time. It can change to different food, yeah, for the next day, and then someday I want to cook soto again, but I cannot memorize the steps and the composition. So I can just read again the recipe and I can make again the soto. Okay, now back to the slide. So what is a function? A function is like a recipe in cooking. It's a set of instructions that perform a specific task. And just as a recipe can be reused to make the same dish multiple times, a function can be reused in your code. So we will create a function and we will define the function. We set the name of the function and you put the task and the sequence of there, and then in our code, yeah, if we need the task, the steps, we just call the function name in our code, and then it will do the task, it will perform the task. And then next time in another part of your code, you can just call again your function name and you can use it again. So okay, next, why we need to use a function? Of course, there's a code reusability. We can just write the logic once and we can use it multiple times, so it will make us easy. And of course, when we do the coding, it will we can do it faster. And then modularity, so we can break down the complex tasks into smaller and manageable function. So if there is so many tasks, and we can just call the function, but we have so many sequence of the code, yeah, or the task, and we can make it in different function and we can just call every time we need. Okay, now readability, function make code more readable and organized. Of course, if we are sharing our project, so our partner can easy to understand about our code, because the code can read easily. And this is a real life example. Yeah, consider a calculator app. Yeah, in the calculator apps, there is a button, there is a mathematical operation, yeah, times, division, subtraction, and multiplication. and then of course there is a numbers. So if we input the number, and then if we press the button for the mathematical operation, yeah, it can use many times. So whenever you press the button, it means you call the function of the mathematical operator. For example, I have addition 5 plus 5. So whenever you press 5 or you press a mathematical operator which is addition, it call again the function. Yeah, can you imagine if there is no function? Yeah, the calculator can only use one time. So after you press the button and it doesn't work again, or maybe you need to restart your calculator because it's only once. So that's why because the program or the function we need many times, we can just create as a function, so we can use it many times we need. Okay, next. Okay, so this is the anatomy of a function in the Swift Playground. But I think before we do this, I will explain first about the function again, so you can imagine how the function works. Okay, for the example, okay, so using a struct, so you go to struct and then content view sorry, content view, and then underscore, and then you put previews. Okay, then you can put the preview provider. Okay, you can just enter. Okay, now you put the curly bracket. Okay, inside of the structure of content view preview, you put the static, and then for previews, yeah, the variable previews, and then some views, and you can put the curly bracket again, and then this is content view. Okay, let's check our code. Okay, I think this is correct already. Okay, let's try. Whenever you tap press or whenever you press tap me button, it will show, you can see, hello, my name is function, and it will gone. So here, this is because of we use a padding. Okay, so it will show in the padding like this. Hello, my name is function. Look at this. When you press tap me button, it will show padding. Okay, but it will call the simple function. Yeah, and it will return the value from the simple function, which is hello, my name is a function. Okay, try again. Hello, my name is function. Okay, now let's try if we create a function with the parameters. Okay, you can create new project and you can rename. Yeah, here I will rename function without parameters. Okay, now I will create again that the project I will call function with function with parameters. Okay, so what is different between function with parameters and a function without the parameters? If you use a function without parameters, so there is no value set in the function. But if you use a function with parameters, you will set the value of the variable that you put in the function. Okay, Now let's try again. I will delete this again. Okay. Here I will put hello, welcome to function with parameters. Okay, now I will set again the button below of the text. Okay, we can use the same button. Okay, and then you set the same action. Okay, and then you put the label. Sorry. Okay, now I put the comment here so you can memorize. This button will call the function with parameters. Okay, now the function with parameters name is, we can set as a create. Okay, the function name is create. Now, or the function name is whatever you want. Okay, now you put the parameters here. Okay, and you can also set the variable. You put the parameters name. Your name is the variable, and you set the value of this name. The name is Adi. Okay, now you can set the button. Okay, you put the, you can create a button and you put the text on the button. So the button name is tap me again. Okay, and then you can add padding. Okay, now the output will as a padding. Okay, next we will define a function create. We finish to call the create function here, and then we will define create function here. Okay, fun, and then you put create. Okay, now you set the parameters name, and the data type is string because we will set the value, the data value as a text, so we can use a string data type. Okay, next you put the curly bracket. It will print, or it will return the value is in print, and then hello, my name is, and then you set, or you call the variable here, variable name. Okay, so here is name, variable name, and we set the parameters using variable name and as a string. Okay, next we will again create the content view parameters. Struct, and then content view preview. Preview provider, there is a session, you can just press enter, and then you put the curly bracket again. Okay, now you set static variable, static var, and preview some view, and then you put the curly bracket again, and then content view. Okay, now finish. Let's check. Okay, we can check all the code here. Okay, I think it's okay. Now you can try to press the tap me button here. Let's try. Yeah, it will return the value hello, my name is Abi. So the output is hello, my name is Abi. Look at this. This is a function hello, my name is variable name, and then we set the parameters in the button. Sorry, we set the function greet in the button, and we set the parameters using name, and the value is Abi. Okay, so this is a example of how to use parameters without a function. Sorry, so this is a function how to use a okay, so this is how to create a function without parameters and how to create a function with parameters. Okay, don't forget, if we create a function without the parameters, it means you just call the function without the value instead of the parameters. Instead of the function. But if you create a function with parameters, you need to set the variable and you decide the value instead of the variable. Okay, if you have a question or you want to sharing with me, you can just type your comment on the below. And thank you everyone. See you on the next video. Bye bye.